Going into the front of the vehicle now, you have your turn signal integrated into your side mirror. 2 memory seat options up at the top, power folding side mirrors, and powered windows with child safety locks. Bose speaker down at the bottom with your storage compartments. Door panel comes in a jet black leather with a carbon fiber insert. Both front seats are powered in a perforated jet black leather. Lumbar support, headrest adjustment with the GFX badge and the headrest. You also have your trailering brake with your 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive. Black leather wrapped steering wheel. Cruise control with heated steering on the left. Voice recognition and volume or menu control on the right with volume just behind the steering wheel. This truck is a key to start. Foot down on the brake, turn the key. Analog front dash with a digital speedometer. Touchscreen infotainment system. This truck comes with a backup camera with guidelines. AM FM radio with Sirius XM capabilities with Bluetooth. This truck comes with navigation. You have your CD player just underneath. Manual climate control with heated and air conditioned and ventilated front seats. You have your foot pedal adjuster, traction control, rear lighting and park assist. USB ports and power banks up at the front. Lots of storage space with 2 cup holders. Place to store your phone up at the top. Large storage space with extra USB and auxiliary. You have a power outlet here as well. Rear view mirror. Up top you have your sunglass compartment. Universal garage opener with sunroof controls. You have your rear window access control as well. Overhead lighting. Sun visor with an illuminated vanity mirror for the driver's side, as well as the passenger side. Handle grips on both sides of the vehicle. You also have a sunroof for the 2 front seats with manual shade covering. Going around the left-hand side of the vehicle now, we'll start off with the 20-inch chromed rims on all-season tires. Chrome side mirror and handle grips. You have your GFX on the both sides as well as your side steps. You have the gas tank. Chrome bumper with rear steps. You have your tow hitch installed. Power outlet with your backup camera. Chrome badging along the vehicle. You have your bed liner. Tonneau cover as well. Going into the rear of the vehicle now, you have your jet black leather door panel with a carbon fiber insert. Speaker and storage compartments down at the bottom. Rear seats are in the jet black leather. Collapsible middle seat. Gives you 2 cup holders and an armrest. Leather magazine holders at the rear of both front seats with your speakers. Storage space and power bank at the rear of the center console. Overhead lighting and handle grips. This vehicle also comes with a full set of carpeted mats and all-weather rubber mats for the front seats. Finishing up with the right-hand side of the vehicle now. You have your chromed handle grips on the side of the box. Chrome badging along the bottom of the windows and the door panel with your windbreakers above all 4 windows. Shark fin antenna above the driver's seat with your wired in front of the passenger seat. This vehicle comes with remote start. You have your halogen headlights and fog lights, front parking sensor, tow hooks with your front license plate badging, and a chromed grille. If there's anything else you'd like to know about the vehicle, check us out at our website at wolfecadillac.com or visit us at our dealership here in Edmonton, Alberta over on Stony Plain Rd. As always, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.